Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Anilab application to your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, any device at all running the Android operating system using Unlinked. This Unlinked method will work with all of these devices. Now, I'd like to open the Unlinked app. If you don't have it already, check the link in the description. I have a video tutorial showing you exactly how to download the app. When you have the app downloaded, go to it and click on OK to get in. When you're in, you're prompted with an add new library. So add a new library, click on new library and input the library code. The library code we'll be using for this tutorial to download this app is Fire Stick. So type in Fire Stick exactly as you see me do. Make sure the spelling is correct, no spaces, all caps, and key enter. You'll be taken to this welcome page where you hit enter as well. And now you'll be given these apps to navigate through. So scroll down and navigate to the app of choice. This is Anilab right here. And if I click it, I launch with the download button. This app will begin to download. So it will take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes depending on internet speed. Your internet may be too slow and it fails, restart, just like this. So I have poor connection right now. If you have poor connection, just click OK and restart the download. When the download completes, I'll require you to install. Now, automatically when the download is over, you find an install button saying install app. Click on that install button and the app will be downloaded straight into your app library. If you found value in this one, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.